Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Gonna take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. It's a two-piece case. It's got faux leather on the back, a little bit of color. Pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now this is the Watachi case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. They say it's genuine leather, but it's not. It's hard PC shell, ultra thin, slim, durable clamshell for the cover for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. $19.99. These cases for the for this phone is a little bit expensive, so not like your traditional cases because you got two pieces there. All right. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, as I mentioned, it's a two-piece case. Here's the back cover right here. You got a little bit of faux leather on the back. It's hard. It's not real leather there, but they did a good job of kind of simulating that. Hard sides here and smooth inside, all right? You got a little bit of area, raised area for the camera right there, so the camera will be protected. And you got your openings at the bottom for the charging port and your mic. And you got your two mic holes up top. And you got your opening for your buttons right there, right? But this is the front cover here, and this is raised up, so it's going to protect the front screen. And you got your opening for the cutout right there for the speaker, and your other speaker at the bottom right there, all right? Nothing else on there. Opening for the buttons, okay? Let's go ahead and put this on the device and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the Z Fold 3 right here. Let's put this in. Put this on, and this pops on like this. All right, that's the back, and then the front pops on as well. Pretty easy. Now, some manufacturers have been including tape to put on the strip right here, but this one doesn't, because and it didn't slide. I did use it a little bit before, but it's not sliding. But this is what the case looks like with the on the device, right? It fits pretty well. You can see right there. And you open up, everything on the back lines up pretty good, okay? So no problem there. But the screen is protected. You can see that right there. You got protection right there. It's a little high, a little taller than I'd like, but it's there, okay? And you got your camera protection right there. It's almost flushed. Actually, the camera sticks out a little bit on this right here, I think. Yeah, this is a little bit not too shallow for the camera, so. That's why people don't really like it, but it's a slim case, doesn't add bulk or anything like that, and does give you some protection. You can't drop this on the floor or anything like that, but it'll work. All right, let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, we got a wireless charger right here. Let's put it on. Okay, so it picks up wireless charge right there. Let's stand it up, see what we get. Okay, it picks up wireless charge there as well. Let's lay it down, see what happens when we do that. Okay, you still get wireless charge. So charging works in all three positions. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Watachi case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's all right case. Probably not worth $20. It's not real leather, faux leather. But it does a trick with something to get pretty quickly to put on the device, all right? Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. If you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.